Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to install WordPress inside Laragon. And Laragon is a local host environment. You type in the search bar Laragon. And then you come to Laragon download. Here we download the full version. Of Laragon. I'll stop it because I have it already downloaded. So you go to the downloaded folder and then you double click to start the program. So you follow the installation steps. This is the default directory. You leave it like that. Go to next, install. The installation is done, and then we run Laragon. So first of all, you start all the services. Then you right click, come to quick apps, then you choose WordPress. So here we give our server a name. So we'll name it WordPress test. And then it downloads WordPress and then install it into your system. And this is one of the ways Laragon make WordPress installation very easy. Now WordPress is installed and we can access it using the link visit site. So we go through the configuration, we choose our language and then site name. I want to use the same WordPress test and then test admin. Then for the password, then we choose email. Since this is localhost, I'm not too particular about this settings, but if you are doing this to later upload it to a live server, then you have to pay attention to some of the details you provide here. I'll check this box to discourage search engines from indexing. Install WordPress. So our WordPress is installed and then we log in, test admin, and then test, then we log in. So now we have WordPress installed. And from here we can check our new website. So this is how our site looks like. Thank you for watching.